Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that how we can take printout in Microsoft Excel worksheet. Lot of the time we have a lot of data in Microsoft Excel sheet and we have the challenge that we need to take the printout with our headers line and it will go to the next page but it will not give the printout of header to the next page. So I will discuss today 3 ways which you can take Microsoft worksheet printout professionally and you can use it. So if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe it because 82% of audience will watching our video but they did not subscribe the channel. If you will subscribe it, then I will get motivated and I will make some enthusiastic session for you. This is the very important session in which we are discussing 3 ways of printout. So keep watching the video till end and improve your fruitful learning as well. So let's start the session. So first of all, you need to open Microsoft Excel. If you can see, I have made the profit and loss statement which is very lengthy. Now how you can take the printout of this with the header line which is over here, profit and loss statement and line items. So what you need to do is you need to click on page layout, then click on print titles. If you will click it, then you can see the print title have the 2 options available in sheet tab, raw to repeat at top. So in this format we need to use raw to repeat at top. You can also use column to repeat at left. So it will use for the column as well. So right now I am taking raw to repeat at top. So what you need to do is you need to click on it. Then you need to select the rows where you want the printout on every page. Now I have selected it. I will click on it. Then I will go to the print preview. So I will check the print preview. If you can see, the print preview is available over here and it will came with the header as well. So the second way which will help you to take the printout is you can select the sheet where you want to take the printout. For example, we need to take over here. Need to click on print area. Then click on set print area. Now I will see my print preview. So you can see only the one page will came with the header and in the center. So this is the last way which we are telling you that how you can take the third one and important one. You need to select your print area where you need to start the print and at the end of your data. So what you need to do is you need to click on view, then click on page break preview. Now you can see the page have been break. If I will unhighlight it, you can see the blue borders have been appeared and we need to take the printout. Now there is a central line, it's coming that it will showing this much printout on the first page and rest is not coming. So we need all the print. So I will just go to blue line and after arrow coming, I will drag to bottom. So this is how. Now I will go once again to the print preview and check my print preview. You can see all the data is came on a one page with headers. So I hope that you will like this fruitful session. If you like the video, please like it and share it. Thank you.